Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by backing up your contacts, photos, and app data to cloud or local storage. Verify you know the Google account password before you begin the removal process. Charge the phone above 50% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Disable any third-party lock apps and remove SIM or SD card if you prefer. Keep your device in your hands and follow steps carefully to prevent data loss. Open Settings on your Realme device and tap Accounts to see listed accounts. Tap the Google account you want removed, then tap Remove Account to start the removal. The device will ask you to confirm the action before it proceeds. If prompted, enter the Google password or confirm your screen unlock method to authorize removal. Wait until the account is fully removed and sync stops before proceeding to other steps or restarting the phone. If you plan a factory reset, remove the Google account first to avoid FRP activation. Factory resetting, without removing the account, will trigger factory reset protection, requiring the original Google credentials. Perform a reset only after you confirmed backups and account removal to prevent permanent lockouts. If FRP blocks you, recover or sign in with the original account credentials or present proof of purchase to authorize service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.